Hi everyone, I will show you how to go live on Instagram. First of all, open the Instagram app and swipe right. You can see the story reels in the middle of the bottom. If you can swipe the story and reel, you can go to the live mode, tap to the live icon, Instagram checking connection. Now you are live. When you are done, tap to the cancel on the top right and end the video.
If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.